In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide iMessages on your iPhone. While iPhones don't have a direct feature to hide iMessages completely, there are several effective methods to keep your conversations more private. Let's go through these steps together to help you manage your message notifications and ensure your privacy. First, let's talk about the appearance of message previews on your lock screen. This is a crucial area where privacy can be maintained. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone and navigate to Notifications. Once there, scroll until you find Messages. Tap on it to open the notification settings specifically for your iMessages. Here is where we'll make some changes to protect your privacy. Next, look for the option labeled Show Previews. When you tap on this, you'll be presented with a few choices. You can select either when unlocked or never. By choosing when unlocked, you'll ensure that message content only appears when your phone is not locked. If you decide on never, then neither the messages nor the sender's names will show on the lock screen at all, adding an extra layer of discretion to your notifications. After setting your message previews, the next step to enhance privacy is to disable lock screen notifications for messages entirely. Staying on the same page within the Messages notification settings, you'll find a section labeled Alerts. Here, you can manage exactly where your notifications appear. You should turn off the lock screen option, which is typically enabled by default. Doing this ensures that no message notifications will pop up on your lock screen while your phone is locked. This means peace of mind, knowing that your messages are more secure and won't be visible to anyone glancing at your device. To reiterate, by managing these settings, you'll find that only the sender's name, or ideally nothing at all if you've configured it to your liking, will appear on your lock screen. This added measure ensures that your personal conversations remain just that, personal. You can feel confident knowing you've taken steps to protect your privacy and control exactly what others might see on your device. There you have it, a simple but effective way to hide your iMessages on an iPhone. These steps help you keep your message contents private, whether your phone is in your hand or left momentarily unattended. I hope you find this guide helpful in maintaining your personal privacy while using your device. Don't forget to check out other privacy features on your iPhone to explore further ways of securing your information. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.